has declined to hear an urgent petition challenging fuel prices set by the Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority. Paul Kirobi has more.
The stalemate surrounding the new fuel prices continues to present a major challenge between the government, matatu operators and Kenyans. The situation has become even more complicated after the High Court declined to certify the matter as urgent for immediate hearing. Instead, the court directed that the case be heard inter partes on June 2, 2026. The petition filed by Francis Owino before the Constitutional and Human Rights Division of the High Court seeks conservatory orders suspending the implementation of the revised maximum retail petroleum prices announced by Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority (EPRA) for the period between May 15th and June 14th, 2026. Owino sued EPRA alongside Cabinet Secretaries John Mbadi for the National Treasury and Economic Planning, as well as the ministries responsible for energy and petroleum and investments, trade and industry. Also named in the petition are the Attorney General, the Kenya Bureau of Standards and the National Standards Council. Owino argues that the increase in super petrol and diesel prices was implemented without adequate public participation and transparency and accountability, contrary to constitutional principles governing public finance and administrative action. Court documents describe the fuel pricing decision as opaque, unreasonable, and procedurally unfair, alleging that it violates Article 47 of the Constitution on fair administrative action and threatens socio-economic rights protected under Article 43 and 46. Owino is also seeking orders compelling EPRA and the National Treasury to disclose a detailed breakdown of the fuel pricing formula used in the May-June review cycle, including landed fuel costs, taxes and levies, exchange rate assumptions, profit margins, and the criteria used in determining final pump prices. The petitioner is questioning the reported utilization of approximately 5 billion shillings from the Petroleum Development Levy Fund. The petition further challenges a reported temporary waiver of sulfur fuel standards announced on April 30, 2026. Owino argues that the relaxation of sulfur limits could expose Kenyans to environmental pollution and serious health risks. Paul Kirobi, TV47, Nairobi.